Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a Shein account. It is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and open up your Shein app. Now, once you're in here, go to the Me section right here at the bottom right. Click or tap on it. All right. Once done, head over to the gear icon right here at the top right. Tap or click on it. Now, once you're in here, locate the settings section. In the settings section, locate Manage My Account. All right. Click or tap on Manage My Account. As you can see here, Delete Account is an option. Just go ahead and click or tap on that. And as you can see here, Apply to Delete Account. Before processing the account deletion request, Shein will conduct the following verifications. Note, account will not be recoverable once deleted. All right. And as you can see here, they will let you know what's going on with your account, such as the ID verification, pending orders, and your wallet balance. All right, you might want to use your wallet balance first if you have an existing balance in your account. Now, once done, just go ahead and hit on Apply to Delete, and you're good to go. All right, and that's basically how you do it. And I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.